Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today we're doing Japanese. We got Chef Barry here, who's going to do his portable hibachi grill. Out of this worm. Actually, we're out here in South Carolina, Somerville. Right? Yep. All right, get cooking. Here we go. We got all of our cousins here at the table here. There's Chef Dom. There's Cousin Eddie, Cousin Paula, Cousin Angela, Cousin Fran, Cousin Sassy, Cousin Anthony, Cousin Brittany, Cousin Tori, and Cousin Michael. All right, let's get down to this Japanese dinner here.
Okay, my name is Barry. I will cook for you, okay? Come on, baby. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, fire! Yeah. Come on, Mama, go here. Hey, fire, okay? Come on, Mama.
Come on.
Fire! Happy birthday! Yeah, take a picture.
Take a picture.
Hey. Sagi.
Alright.
Yeah.
Go ahead, just back and forth. You look for me.
Whoa.
They're all watching us. Put it down there.
Oh, baby chicken, right? Okay, open more, Mama. Yeah. Oh, yummy for you, okay? Yeah, ping pong ball. I have. Yeah.
What are you making there, Barry? Fried rice?
Yeah, I'm making the fried rice.
All right.
I buy one more sake, okay? Sake time!
All right, sake time.
Sake! Oh yeah, one more! Hey, sake! Keep it going, man! Oh, yeah, come on. Sake! Open your mouth! Sake time! Okay, yeah, 1, 2, hop.
A little bit, all right.
That'll be okay. 2 seconds, okay? Yeah. 1, 2, hop. Sake!
Look at all that rice. Beautiful.
Hola.
Oh, that's some good. Do you cook Italian food?
No.
No? Oh, man, I'll teach you. Oh, that looks wonderful, man. Great job. Barry, what kind of vegetables do we got there?
Zucchini, broccoli, mushroom, onion, carrot. Yeah.
Very good. Oh.
Thank you.
Just full. We got him here. Sake.
Can I have double rice for an extra $1?
No. Double rice.
And rabbit You know what? It's not the food.
Hell yeah.
Actually, I don't care if you fucking ask them all.
There you are.
Come on, honey. Oh, yeah. So easy. Oh, la, yeah. Zucchini. Open your mouth. Yeah. One more again. Yeah. Come on, sir. Oh, la. One more again.
If they drop it, how much you want?
Yeah.
Open your big mouth. Oh, so come on. The best for you, okay? One more again. Hey, birthday, Mama. Birthday. Open your mouth. Hey, so come on. One more again. Bigger for you, Mama. Hey, you want to try? Come on, sir.
Right off your forehead. Is that zucchini?
Yeah, zucchini.
Oh, I'm allergic. I'm allergic. I
No,
can't
you're
eat.
not.
Okay, right side. Spiky man. Oh, yeah. Hey, right side. Whoa. Yeah.
Your hand's choking.
Oh, nice.
I don't know, but I got truffle rice.
Banana ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
So one more vegetable.
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, go ahead. I'm allergic,
okay, yeah.
but I'll.
He needs his veggies.
I want to smell it. Smells good.
Good.
Thank you.
I'm allergic.
Beautiful. Enjoy.
I'm your volcano, okay? May I know your name?
Angela.
Angela, okay, yeah, volcano for Angela, okay?
All right.
Happy birthday, Mama! Yeah. Take a flight. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Come on, let's go, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Angela. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Come on, Mama. Thank you. One more. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, Didi Cha, hi, Didi. Yeah. Why, yeah.
One time when we went to Texas, when me and Mickey went to Texas, we went to Cowboys. And his friend was running it, right? And boy, his friend was what? You never let me hear They gave us all of Dr. Dre's albums, and we were playing all over these stuff. Not Dr. Dre's ability.
Angela, you want some?
I'm having mine. Whoop.
Sorry.
That's good. Thank you.
One medium.
Thank you.
That's cooked very good, Chef Barry. Perfect. Nice and moist.
You know?
Very nice.
How about teriyaki chicken?
Teriyaki chicken. Who gets it?
And chicken.
You get chicken?
What do you mean you had enough for chicken?
And steak and chicken.
Did you?
Yes.
You paid extra for that?
You want more
We
chicken?
changed. Thank you.
Jumbo shrimp.
Birthday, Mama.
Sagi bars, huh?
Give mine to Mr. Miyagi.
Okay.
Dom.
Sagi
Dominic's
bar?
gonna play
Sure, why not?
Yeah, sure.
Why the fuck?
Boy, you let Dom do some fucking recording.
Money up in too.
I know, I feel bad. I feel bad.
Very nice there, Barry.
Look, Sassy, I'm a movie buff, man. I'm done.
I say sagi, you say bang. I say sagi, you say bang. Table, you hand, table. Okay?
You sure about that?
Ready? Sagi!
Wow!
Sagi! Sagi!
Sucky.
Drink.
You lying.
What's that? You gotta chug it.
Come on.
Michael, you got an extra bear coming in.
Ready.
Jumbo shrimp.
Jumbo shrimp. Who gets the jumbo shrimp?
Jumbo shrimp. Jumbo shrimp. Who wanted shrimp?
The jumbo shrimp in that little bowl?
Beautiful scallop.
Okay, scallop.
Scallops in there. Those two guys.
Scallop?
Thank you.
Hey, you didn't get scallops?
I didn't, I got lobster. But you know what? They come for
Oh man, that's good stuff.
Listen, I'm only the cook.
Are you really going to edit this and air it? What's your phone?
Somebody should be videoing.
Brooklyn Brothers do.
There you go.
She got scared. She got scared.
No, that's
Family.
wise guy. Beautiful job.
Thank you.
Fred,
Okay, how about lobster?
Ah, beautiful.
Lobster, okay? Lobster. Lobster.
Matthew Modine.
Yes.
French frying. Who's gonna eat this? Lobster. Anybody want to try the lobster?
I do.
Come on.
Was it Full Metal Jacket?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. Hey, Barry. That's right, Angela. It's your birthday. Open up.
Sucky, sucky, friend. Come on, friend.
One more sucky, sir. Come on. Sucky time. La 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 la. Over here, Mom.
I'm scared,
Over here, Mom. Over here, Mom.
Good job.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Sagi, sagi. Too much sagi today.
Head's on fire.
Come on.
Wow.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Mama. Yeah. Mama, hold it. Okay, everybody go here, take a picture, okay? Everybody go here, take a picture. Hey, come on. Hey, birthday mama, come on, go here, take a picture. Hi, yeah. Come on, everybody.
So over there, everybody.
Okay, hibachi. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Hey, thank you for watching. We had a wonderful time with this hibachi experience. Please check out this hibachi chef at home. You will absolutely love it. Anyway, take care and we'll see you guys next time with an Italian recipe.